Hello everybody and welcome to Hydraulic Master once again. So today I've got something quite interesting to show you, as always. This time it's a Scanreco RC400, but quite an interesting application. It's for those of you that work within the agricultural industry or with forestry actually, and you have some of those annoying tree stumps that you need to remove, and you've got a tree stump grinder. Now very often you might hire this equipment, or you might be a company that hires the equipment, or you might actually be one of the guys that work extremely hard and go out there and grind these stumps. So you've probably got a stump grinder, something like a BANDIT SG40 is one example, but there are many brands of these. I know that's one of the most popular brands, certainly in the United States. And this is to show you actually how you can use that kit with radio remote control. So not only does that make it safer for you, you can see what you're doing a lot better, and from our clients that actually use it, we've had really positive feedback. For safety, for speed, and for durability actually, so overall control. As always, give me a moment, I'll turn on the compressor and I'll go through how you can use the Scanreco RC400 and the BANDIT SG40 or any other stump grinder. Back in a moment. Here we go then. We've got the Scanreco unit here. This time we have 4 levers on the Scanreco. As you probably know, these are available with more levers or with joysticks. I'll give you a quick example of a joystick unit later. Now, the way we've set this up today, we've got 2 motors and 2 pistons that can be used for probably the legs of the unit, maybe the tracks. But we know obviously with a stump grinder you'll be using motors, and the important thing to point out is because of the Scanreco unit you can adjust the speed fast or slow. And what we've done here, we've set this up where you've got one of the motors, hopefully you can see there with the yellow tag we've put on just for visibility, and you can see that's moving relatively quickly, and then the one with the green tag there, it's moving a lot slower. Yeah? So I'm still on maximum speed, but it's moving around slower. And of course, this is all completely remote control. Clearly, I'm using the unit just for the demonstration. And then the other 2 paddles here, you've got this. Oh, I'm going the wrong way there. So that's to push the piston out. And of course, to retract it, you can see the levers moving there. And the same with the last function. Okay. Now, just to show you, obviously this one's not connected. But the second Scanreco unit I've got here is, some people would like to use joysticks, and also the motors you can control with the left and right. Okay, so as I said, it's not connected, but this is what it will do. And then you have really finite control of every operation on the motors. So one more time, I'll just quickly go through this. You can see the motors each way, and of course, if necessary, you know, you can use more than one function at the same time. Again, the wrong way. Exactly as you would if you were actually operating the unit by sitting on or next to the unit. So hopefully that explains how the Scanreco can be used with stump grinding equipment. And of course, remember that we don't only supply the Scanreco, we also supply all the valves and any other equipment. And if you need assistance in attaching this to your stump grinder, whether that's a BANDIT or from any other brands, please get in touch. You know where we are, hydraulic-master.com, or you can email us at shop@hydraulic-master.com. Thanks very much. See you again soon.